Nanjing GS-Mach Extrusion Equipment Company Limited is a professional plastic, rubber, and chemicals machinery researcher, designer, and manufacturer with CE certificate. We insist on innovating, refining our quality, and improving the management, aiming to supply the customer the excellent products and first-class service and make GS-Mach become a worldwide top machinery manufacturer and supplier. Our business is consisted of three parts: GS-Mach Extrusion, GS-Mach Recycle, and GS-Mach Rubber Tag. GS-Mach Extrusion, including 3D printer filament machine, single screw extruder, twin screw extruder, two-stage extruder, and knitter compound line, matching with various kinds of auxiliary equipment selection such as fan cooling strand pelletizing system, air cooling die head hot cutting system, watering hot face cutting system, underwheel pelletizing system. GS-Mach also produces crusher, high-speed and low-speed mixer, knitter, as well as train screw force feeder. GS-Mach Recycle, including EPE, EPS form material recycling granules making machine, PP, PE film material recycling granules making machine, PET bottle material recycling granules making machine. GS-Mach Rubber Tag, including rubber granulator equipment, rubber accelerant, vulcanization master batch granulator equipment. GS-Mach is located in Nanjing. The traffic is convenient and the environment is hospitable here. It is close to Lukou International Airport and Nanjing South Railway Station. We warmly welcome you from both home and abroad to visit and cooperate with us.